So what do you want to be when you grow up?
A nurse.
You want to be a nurse?
Yeah.
Why do you want to be a nurse?
Because I like helping people when they're hurt.
If someone didn't know Maya and they were like, oh, that girl Maya, what's she like? How would you describe Maya?
She's really kind.
Mm-hmm.
She's mature.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. She's helpful.
She's helpful. Mm-hmm. What do you like about church?
When we go to Sunday school and we learn about different people in the Bible.
What's something that Mummy always says to you? Can you do an impression of Mummy?
If I need to tell you one more time, I will smack you.
Ah! So that's the only impression that you have of me. Give me an impression of Daddy then.
What he says to me?
Yeah.
There's no reason to cry.
What's like a special gift that you want from Mummy and Daddy?
A bike.
A bike?
Yeah.
Do you know how to ride a bike?
Kind of.
Kind of. Who taught you? What do you want to say to everyone?
Like, subscribe, and click the bell button.
I said I should come and feature.
Yeah.
Because it's my baby's birthday.
It's my baby girl's birthday. Maya was actually born on this channel.
Absolutely, yes.
So for her to be 7 years old is just like,
That's
wow,
major.
this girl has grown so much. And she's
That's major.
she really actually is a valuable asset to this home. Like,
But I've heard that you want a bicycle. Yeah? A bike. I'm gonna buy it for you, okay?
hey, say go daddy, go daddy, go. Go daddy, go daddy, go. Go daddy, go. Should I tell daddy what I want as well?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maya. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! 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 Are you up? Ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí, ojoojúmọ́ ni màá ṣọpẹ́ fún ìfẹ́ tèmi. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, olólùfẹ́ mi, ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí. Diamond girl, African baby, ọpẹ́ ló yẹ mí.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today I have a special guest and her name is
Maya!
Maya. So who are you, Maya? Who are you to me?
You're pretty princess.
You're my pretty princess. Yes, you are. So Maya has come on here today. We decided, we've not had Maya by herself on this channel. And she's going to be a special number, so we thought we'd invite her as our special guest. Is that okay?
Yes.
So I'm going to ask you a few questions and you're just going to answer. Feel free, just speak how you want to speak. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is that a deal?
Yes.
Okay. So how old are you going to be?
7.
How do you feel about that?
Excited.
Why do you feel excited? What's so special about 7?
Because 7 stands for smart.
Really?
Yeah.
And yes, you are very, very smart. So what do you want to do for your birthday? What would be a perfect birthday for you?
Yesterday.
Yes day. Maya keeps on talking about a yes day, yes day, yes day. What's a yes day? Tell them, what's a yes day?
So, when somebody tells you something, and the person cannot say the word no.
So for your whole birthday, I have to say yes, yes, yes. Is that true?
Yeah, but if it's something too expensive, you need to say that's too expensive.
What if it's something dangerous?
Then you need to say that's too dangerous.
Okay, so give me an example of what you'd ask me on a yes day, so I can prepare my mind. What are the kind of things you ask me?
A LOL doll.
Oh, an LOL doll.
A Bitsy, what Mickey used to have.
A Bitsy, yes.
A MT doll.
An OMG doll. So all these are toys. So that's what your yesterday is about. You just want toy. Is that it? Yeah, that's all you care about.
So what's this now? This is what you want?
It's clay, you can make anything.
Clay. Okay.
These are sand.
Okay. Well done. Is that all you want from here? Good.
Okay, Maya. So I'm going to ask you a few questions and you're going to answer them for me, okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Right. Maya, what's your favorite color?
Blue.
Blue. Why? What's fantastic about blue?
Because blue is the sky and the sea and it just looks so beautiful.
Oh, that's true. Okay. What has been your favorite holiday?
It's between Gran Canaria and Paris.
Really? Why is it so hard to choose between them?
Because Gran Canaria, it was such a hot day and we was all wearing matching. And also we got to go to the Angry Birds. And in Paris, we wasn't matching. But it was also so hot and we got to go Disneyland.
Did you like Disneyland?
Yeah.
That was when Mommy and Daddy surprised you, isn't it? Were you surprised?
Yes.
Did you have any idea?
No. And I didn't even know it was going Paris.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, Mama, what's your favorite subject at school?
Maths.
Maths?
Yeah.
Why is it maths?
Because math is the most important subject.
Why do you say that?
Because if you don't know maths, you won't be smart.
But I don't know maths. I have to always get your daddy to help you and help Mickey. So what does that mean for me?
Then it means you need to do your 11 plus again.
I need to do my 11 plus again.
Yeah.
I never did an 11 plus.
Well, you need to do it.
I need to do it. Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, Maya. So what do you want to be when you grow up?
A nurse.
You want to be a nurse?
Yeah.
Why do you want to be a nurse?
Because I like helping people when they're hurt.
That's a nice quality. That's actually true. Maya does like helping people when they're hurt. She's not scared of blood. Are you scared of blood? Are you not scared of when people hurt themselves? You're like, ooh, let me see. Okay. If you could be a superhero, Maya, what would your magic power be?
Strong.
Strong? Really? Super strong, Maya?
Yeah.
What will you use your strength for?
Like, if somebody was about to throw a car on the person, I'll catch it.
Hey God, long. If somebody was about to throw a car on a person, you'll catch it.
Yeah, I'll be strong.
Okay, that's interesting. Now, how would you describe Maya? If someone didn't know Maya and they were like, oh, that girl Maya, what's she like? How would you describe Maya?
She's really kind.
Mm-hmm.
She's mature.
Mm.
Yeah. She's helpful.
She's helpful. Mm. Anything else?
And she's a child of God.
Oh, I love that, girl. I love that. You're a child of God. Yes, you are. What do you love about God?
Because if God wasn't alive, nobody would be alive.
That's true. That's true. You got that right, baby girl. So does that mean, do you like going to church?
Yeah.
What do you like about church?
When we go to Sunday school and we learn about different people in the Bible.
What's the most interesting thing that you've learnt in the Bible?
Joseph.
Ooh, what about Joseph? What was interesting about him?
Joseph was Jacob's best son. And he got a rainbow coat from Jacob. And he was sold in Egypt. And then in Egypt, he became the Pharaoh.
He became, I wouldn't say the pharaoh, but he became like the prime minister of Egypt. So he was in charge of everybody. So Joseph actually had a tough time. He had a tough time, but in the end, he was at the top. He had a good time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, Maya, what's something that Mummy always says to you? Can you do an impression of Mummy?
If I need to tell you one more time, I will smack you.
Ah! So that's the only impression that you have of me.
Yeah. You said it today to Mariah.
Okay, but what are the things that I said to you?
Did you touch her though?
Maya, why are you saying all these things? Did you touch her though? What? Do my face how I do it. Go on, do it.
Did you touch her though?
Who am I referring to?
Me?
Yeah, so what am I saying to you? When you hit Mariah?
No, when I punched Mickey or touched Mickey.
Yeah, because Mummy doesn't like you guys touching each other. I believe that you can talk to each other without hitting each other, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good. All right, so give me an impression of Daddy then.
What he says to me?
Yeah.
There's no reason to cry.
Daddy always says to you, there's no reason to cry.
Yeah.
Why does he say that to you?
Because today I wanted to do an interview, then I started crying.
Mm-hmm.
Then he says, why are you crying? Today he said, why are you crying?
Mm-hmm.
Then he said, oh, it's because you want to do the interview.
Let me tell you guys something. Maya really wanted to come up here and do an interview. I was like, should I interview you? Because it's going to be your birthday soon. And she really, really wanted to come up here. Isn't it, Maya?
Yeah.
You really did. Okay. What do you want from Mummy and Daddy? What's like a special gift that you want from Mummy and Daddy?
A bike.
A bike?
Yeah.
Do you know how to ride a bike?
Kind of.
Kind of. Who taught you?
I've been riding it on Mickey's old bike.
Okay. All right. We'll talk to your daddy about
But
it.
it had two extra wheels behind it.
Okay. In talking about Mickey, how do you feel like being the middle sister? What does that feel like? Like, what's good about it? What's good about having two sisters? Tell me.
Because one, you won't be alone.
That's true.
And two, you will get to play with somebody at home.
So tell me what you love about your sisters. What do you love about Mickey?
She's nice to me, she helps me sometimes.
Mm.
Sometimes she helped me take my jacket downstairs.
That's really kind of her. So then if Mickey's nice like this, why do you and Mickey always argue?
I don't know.
No, give me a reason.
He started it.
Mickey's the one who started
Yeah.
it. So you're saying you never started it?
Yeah, because when I was born, Mickey was always nice to me.
So what changed?
Since I'm older, we just started arguing. I don't know why.
Well, maybe, do you think it's because you have a bit of attitude as well? What about Mariah? What do you love about Mariah?
She always plays with me.
Aww. But then how come you and Mariah also have arguments sometimes?
Like, when we both wanted to blow the blue balloon, then we finished the argument very quickly, and Mariah said, you can have another blue balloon. And then I just took one.
But why do you and Mariah argue? Why? What do you argue about? Why?
What I just said.
Okay. Okay, Maya. So what do you want to tell everybody in this camera? First of all, what do you think Mummy and Daddy do on this channel?
The channel said they get lots of subscribers.
But what do you think? What do we talk about? Jesus. And we talk about marriage. We talk about marriage, don't we?
Yes.
Yeah. So we talk about marriage. We talk about relationships. We talk about people being nice to each other, friendships.
Yeah.
Exactly. So what do you want to tell everyone? We're rounding up now. What do you want to say to everyone?
Like, subscribe, and click the bell button.
Like, subscribe, and click the bell button. It's actually going to be Maya's birthday. I don't know when we're going to air this, but Maya's going to be 7. So you guys say a prayer for my baby girl. She is such an asset to this family. Do you know what an asset is? An asset is something good, something that we appreciate. So you're such an asset to this family. We love you so, so much. Ever since you came to this house, to this family, we've been happy. We're always happy that we have a daughter called Maya, because you're kind, you're sweet, you're caring, you're loving, and mommy and daddy love you so, so much. Do you know that?
Yeah.
You are indeed our pretty, pretty princess.
I said I should come and feature.
Yeah.
Because it's my baby's birthday. It's my baby girl's birthday.
Literally, guys, we remember. I think Maya was born on this channel.
Yeah?
Maya was actually born on this channel.
Absolutely, yes.
So for her to be 7 years old is just like,
That's
wow,
major.
this girl has grown so much. And
That's major.
she really actually is a valuable asset to this home. Like, she just brings a different vibe. And it's so funny because when you have 3 daughters or 3 of the same siblings, you know, a lot of people tend to compare
Absolutely.
on your behalf. But by God's grace and mercy, none of these, they're incomparable. They're all in in a league of their own.
Absolutely.
You know, and we're just so blessed to have you as our daughter, Maya.
I'm so proud of you.
We're so proud of
We
you,
love you.
princess. We love you
And
so
I've
much.
heard, because I was upstairs, but I've heard that you want a bicycle. Yeah? A bike. I'm going to buy it for you, okay?
Hey, say go daddy, go daddy, go. Go daddy, go daddy, go. Go daddy, good. Should I tell daddy what I want as well?
No.
So, are you happy now?
Yeah.
You got your yes day?
Yeah.
And you got all your presents in the whole world?
Yeah.
And you've spent all of daddy and mommy's money?
Yeah, £100.
100. Good, as long as you're happy. So, what do you have to say?
Thank you, mommy and daddy.
We love you.
I love you.
All right, let's say bye, everyone. Bye. See you in the next video. Peace.